Good morning class. How are you students? Hope everyone is fine. Let's start our subject. Today our subject is mathematics and this is chapter number 9, time. The name of the time chapter is time. This is part 1. Let's start. What is the time? This all we have to see the time and then write after seeing the time. Okay, do you know when there are two hands, longer and smaller hand, longer hand called hour hand and smaller hand called minute hand. When long hand is on 12 mark, there is 12 mark on the clock and shorter hand is on 3 mark, it is 3 o'clock. Okay, always hour hand is the shorter and minute hand is the longer hand. Now tell the time in these clocks, write in the box. This is shorter hand in the hour hand, 4, that is 4 o'clock, and minute on the 12, that is 4 o'clock. Here both 12, that is 12 o'clock. What will be time here? 12 O and put here comma, then write here CLOCK, 12 o'clock. Here is 8 o'clock. Our small hand is on 8. 8 O, give space, then write. Okay students, write neatly and correctly. Next is 11. Smaller hand is on 11. That is 11 o'clock. Next is 5 o'clock. 5 O. Give space also and write. Please write neatly. CLOCK, clock. Okay. Next 9 o'clock. Smaller hand in the 9. That is 9 OCLOCK, clock. Next is your 7 o'clock. Already given the hour. Here is 4. Then smaller hand will be on 4. Where you will draw? You will draw with the pencil. Smaller hand on the 4 and the longer hand on the 12. Okay? In this way. 4 o'clock. Now here is the 1 o'clock. Then smaller hand, the hour will be at 1 and the minute longer will be at 12. Okay? 1 o'clock. Okay students? Next is 10 o'clock. Then smaller, that is hour hand will be shorter is 10 and longer hand will be on 12, that is 12. 10 o'clock, minute hand. Here is 2 o'clock. Smaller hand, that is hour, will be on 2 and the minute, that is bigger hand, will be on 12. Okay students? Next is 6 o'clock. Smaller hand will be on 6 and the bigger hand will be on 12. That is 6 o'clock. Okay bachcho, now turn the page. See, let's read. Let's understand properly here. The face of a clock is called, the face of the clock, what is it called? Face of the, this thing you have to write in your copy because it will become in the exam also as a fill in the blanks. The face of a soul. This sentence, whatever I am reading, you will note it down in your maths fair copy. Do in your copy. Do it in the copy. Okay? All things you have to write. This thing, whatever I am saying, please listen the video and write. The face of a clock is called dial. The dial has number from 1 to 12 marked on it. The same. And this thing also you have to write both. The long hand is also called minute hand because it will come in the exam also. The short hand is called hour hand. Look at this picture. This picture also you have to draw as an activity in your maths fair copy. And this thing also you have to do the same way. Do as an activity. Do as an activity in copy. I have written here this thing you have to do the same way all this page. Okay students? So please watch the video carefully and listen, then do. This clock you have to draw and show the hand, long hand and hour hand. It is showing 2 o'clock. Okay. Look, the hour, it is showing. It is, what is the time showing? Shorter hand is at 2 o'clock and look, the hour hand has just moved from mark 1 to 10. The minute hand has completed full round at 12. It is 1 o'clock. Shorter hand is at 1. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. How many minutes? This thing also you have to write in your copy. Now, the hour hand is between mark 2 and 3. In middle, see? after 2 and before 2, before 3, after 2 and before 3. In the middle it is 2 and mark 3 in the middle, and the minute hand has completed half the round and is at 6. Then it is 6:30. In half an hour there are 30 minutes. How many minutes are there in half an hour? In half an hour there are 30 minutes. This thing also you have to write in your copy. This is called 2:30, that is 2:30. Okay, now turn the next page. This you have to do in your book, and this thing you have to write. Okay, see the time here. It is middle 3 and 4. The long hand is at 6, longer is at 6, and the short hand is between 3 and 4. That the time is 3:30 or 3:30. Now tell the time in this clause. This is 1:30, that is 1:30, and this is 6:30, that is 6:30. 6:30. 6:30. Okay. Next, this is 12:30, that is 12:30. 12:30. Okay, students. Now see the next question. It has been what? 11:30. 11:30. 11:30. Okay. This way you have to write. Here is 8:30. 8:30. 8:30. Next is your. Here is 4:30. What is the time here? 4:30. It is 4:30. Okay, students. Next question. Here is your 5:30. 5:30. It will be 5:30. Okay. 5:30. Again the next is your 7:30. It will be 7:30. 7:30. The next question, let's see. It is your 9:30. 9:30. Okay, students, please write all the time correctly. Now turn the next page and see the next question. Draw the long and short hand, both long and short hand both. Okay, somewhere it is 12:30, somewhere it is 9 o'clock, full hour, to show the time on these given clocks. One is done already, 1:30, that is 1:30, and here is 9:30. We have to draw and write here time also. 9:30 is equal to 9:30. Then in the middle 9 and 10 it will be shorter hand. Middle the 9 and 10 it will be the shorter hand, and the longer hand will be exact 6. Okay. In this way you also do the same. You will use pencil. Next, 2:30. In middle 2 and 3 it will be shorter hand, and the longer will be at minute hand will be at 6. Then 2:30. Okay. Next is your 11:30, that is 11:30. Shorter will be middle 11 and 12, and the longer will be at minute hand, that is 6. 8 o'clock, that means smaller will be hour hand, exact 8, and the minute will be at 12. It is 1 hour. 8. Okay, like this you will write. Okay, students. Next is 12:30. In the middle 12 and 1 will be smaller hand, and the longer will be at 6. That is 12:30. Okay, students. Next, let's see next. 6 o'clock, exact 1 hour, it is hour. Then 6 hour hand is smaller will be at 6, and the longer will be at 12. That is 6 o'clock. Okay, students, already written, and write the time here. 3:30. In between 3 and 4 it will be shorter, and the bigger will be 6. 3:30. The last is 5:30. In middle 5 and 6, between 5 and 6, and the minute will be exact, longer will be exact 6, in this way. 5:30. Okay students, I hope you all understood. Please watch the video properly and listen carefully everything till end, and then write it down. Okay, thank you bachcho. Bye bye. I hope you all enjoyed and understood properly.